If you're studying in 2026 and not using AI, you're falling behind. The game has changed, and these tools are your new secret weapon. Welcome to part 1. We're starting with the powerhouse that redefined everything, Chatgpt. It's more than just a chatbot now. Need to summarize a 50-page research paper in seconds? ChatGPT's summarization engine is flawless, turning dense text into actionable notes. Stuck on an assignment? It acts as your 24/7 tutor, helping you structure arguments and refine your thesis without doing the work for you. Think of it as a personal mentor that never sleeps, ready to explain complex concepts in whatever style you understand best. The new multimodal features mean you can actually talk through your problems, making learning a conversation rather than a chore. Whether it's quick notes or deep explanations, ChatGPT is the foundation of your 2026 study toolkit. Now, let's move to part 2. In part 2, we're looking at how you organize and present your ideas. Meet Notion AI and Gamma, the ultimate productivity duo. Notion AI takes your messy lecture notes and automatically organizes them into comprehensive study plans and flashcards. It even schedules your review sessions based on your learning pace, ensuring you never miss a deadline or a key concept. And when it's time to present, Gamma is a literal cheat code. One prompt, and you have a professional slide deck in seconds. No more fighting with layouts. Gamma handles the design so you can focus on the content. It's presentation magic at your fingertips. Combine Notion's organization with Gamma's speed, and you're unstoppable. Ready for part 3? We're diving into math and science. Part 3 is for the researchers and problem solvers. We're talking Khan-Migo and Perplexity AI, science and research perfected. Khan-Migo isn't just an AI, it's a Socratic tutor for math and science that guides you through the logic, step by step. Whether it's complex calculus or molecular biology, it makes the hardest subjects feel like a breeze by breaking them down visually. Then there's Perplexity. Forget Google. This is a research engine that gives you direct answers with verified sources for every claim. It's built for accuracy, making it the perfect tool for writing research papers or verifying facts in a world of misinformation. With Khan-Migo for mastery and Perplexity for truth, you're becoming a real expert. Next, part 4, video creation. In part 4, we're stepping into the future of content. Synthesia and HeyGen are changing how we share knowledge through video. Synthesia lets you create high-quality educational videos using AI avatars, so you can deliver lessons without ever being on camera. You can translate your content into dozens of languages instantly, reaching a global audience with just a few clicks. And HeyGen takes it even further with hyper-realistic avatars and seamless lip sync that makes AI feel truly human. It's the ultimate tool for teachers and creators who want professional production value without the expensive equipment. Video is the best way to learn, and these tools make it accessible to everyone. Finally, let's wrap it all up in part 5. We've covered a lot today. From ChatGPT to HeyGen, these AI tools are transforming the way we learn, organize, and create. ChatGPT for tutoring, Notion and Gamma for workflow, Khan-Migo and Perplexity for research, and Synthesia and HeyGen for video. The future of learning is here. Comment which tool you'll try first and save this video for your next study session. Don't just study hard, study smart. I'll see you in the next one. Keep learning, keep growing.